Want to do a picture?
Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, you want to come join me? These walk like this. And can you see the pose like this? This. I'll give you the whole camera. Oh. Like that? Yeah, that works. This is her good morning from Idaho Falls. Yeah, that works. We made it to Creek Falls. Yeah, we made it a little bit past down like this main road, not knowing like where to park or anything. But oh, she got my pants all dirty. And we have Evie with us. But also, my name is Donnie, aka Moxeev, and today's our last full day in Idaho. We have Evie. So we're gonna figure out where to go see the waterfalls because it looks really pretty. But like, look outside. We saw like 3 guys over there fishing, but this is so freaking peaceful. Oh, for like March, this is like one of the good days. Like it was really windy yesterday. So let's go figure out where we can walk to.
We're here.
Oh, highway.
Good Groom Trail. I think it's literally the
Oh, okay. Well,
warming hut. I think there's more like up there.
probably, but the road is closed. Oh my god, look at the trees. Oh, there's like shoes.
Yes, Danny.
Okay.
Oh heck no, that's ice. Oh, I thought you were just walking. Yeah, but they're like when a customer orders at 2:12. I was on the 2:12.
I don't get it, but I like it because you're like.
It's that 𝘤𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘵 or something. No, it's like another girl.
Oh, it's cold. Mountains. We don't think there's like an actual trail to go down to see the falls, but we could see it from this road here. So we just made it to the car. Oh wait, there's a trail over here.
Donnie, be careful, it's icy.
Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Bro, there's people all the way down there. So we're trying to figure out, there's a gentleman like way over here. This whole trail is super muddy. But see, I'm wearing boots. I'm over here still. Here, I'll go first. I got the boots.
Oh my god, never mind.
Oh, it's right here. Okay, this was more flatter. But it's still icy, but it's like more flatter. I think so. Found a good viewing point of the falls. My dad made a valid point so this is a Snake River that's right here. And it's traveling like what, westbound? And the falls are coming down. And that water is joining the river and continuing that way. We actually passed this on the way to Idaho Falls Monday, and I never saw like a sign for it. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. Yeah.
Oh shit.
That looks like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a trail down here.
Fine, let's go. I can always turn up the brightness too, right?
Like. Oh.
I'm scared. Hurry.
Mira pa, no se va. Ay, no, ya. No, vuelto para arriba y me estoy.
I guess.
So, Donnie, you're walking back and forth.
Okay, fine.
Here.
It's gonna be really dark, but fine.
Turn up the brightness.
You just. ¿Dónde son tú?
Okay, Sonia, yeah, go stand. Oh, I was recording that whole time. To the. Oh, this is what happened to her pants.
Either I got shorter or the pants got longer because they were not like this last time I bought them.
So we're walking to the area, and Sonia's gonna pull up the car.
I'm pissed.
So this wasn't bad. We might have to stop at the rest stop because now I kind of gotta pee. But this was nice. I can imagine how much water there is during the summertime. Oh gosh, she's keeping her up on us. Her leash. Evie,
Mommy, no.
I want a photo. Where's her leash?
Dale, Stephanie.
Evie. 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 Evie.
Dale para atrás.
What was that? Now we're done.
And Stephanie's game that she's like obsessed with. You are actually really fast at that.
Thank you.
Lip liner and lip gloss yesterday, so I reapplied it. I kind of like it. I don't think I put on my lip liner right. I think I need to work on it just a little bit more now that I'm looking at it at the camera. But I want like a dark brown one, and then the lip gloss is kind of like a light gray. It's not even gray, but I don't know. I kind of like it. But me and Sonia, we're taking her car because my parents went out to the store, but we're gonna just do some errands by ourselves, and then we gotta pick up Ari in a few hours. First stop is Game Grid. Our brother collects Pokemon cards, so we're here to check out the Pokemon cards for him. So we'll see how. Have you ever entered here? No? Okay. This looks like his board games. More like board games type of stuff, so we asked. He said that they have like all their individual Pokemon cards on their website, so that's why I texted my brother. We're at Mystic Misfits. It's so funny, I literally saw a TikTok about like their account last night. got some goodies. An hour. I think it was like maybe 40-ish, 30 minutes.
I said half an hour.
Oh, half an hour. Oh, I said an hour. Sonia found another gaming store, so we're gonna check that out. So let's see what they have. Looks cool. Real deals, and then kids to kid. Cash for kids stuff. We're gonna check out this place real quick. We found this.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Donut. Yummy. Now, I'm just chilling downstairs in like the guest bedroom area. We got Evie over here, and she just ate her food, and the baby is now home. Our original plan was we were gonna go to like some sand dunes in St. Anthony. So my parents are making food, and I'm gonna go ask to see if like who all still wants to go, because I really want to go. I think that'll be really fun to go. And I did eat that apple cider donut, and it was really, really good. So I don't know what's the plan for later today. It's still pretty sunny, a little bit windy, but we're gonna see what's up next. So now we got the whole gang here. Cheese. We are going to go see the St. Anthony sand dunes. I'm so excited. Our parents are...
see? Yeah, you're not gonna.
Dutch Bros is hella busy today.
This is the, let's see, blended strawberry lemonade.
Thank you.
This is the iced Palm Beach lemonade.
Thank you.
And then
Jesus.
we're working on that full fizz for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Never mind, we're good. Thank you though. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye. Have a
Bye.
The club isn't the best place to find the love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow me.
Oh my god, I know what that bird was. It was a... Alright, where do we enter? This could have been a pull off. I'd rather go over here. Over here? No cars over here though. Nope, I'm gonna go around over here. There's a road over here, right? No, I'm not gonna go driving it. I'm gonna get stuck.
Windy. But it's like super windy. With what? It's really windy. We found this little parking area. Oh, you won't be able to see much. Flip flop. Hold up.
It took so long.
Whoa, it's like a giant like wall right there. No, I want to go all the way up there. Been so much more better if it wasn't so windy, but it was very windy, and that made it cold and sand blowing in your face. I'm gonna go back home. Fix my hair, sunglasses.
Somebody, you threw that boy cool. What? They moved to the side so they could see.
Oh my god.
That's why I did it. Oh. No, oh, I hope they'll beat those people. Oh, so. I see you. Ew, guys.
I lost my lens cap to this camera.
Free everything.
You lost like 40 things today.
I lost my pink. He just honk at us. Our parents are right behind us. We're going to downtown. We're going to take a family photo. Even though it's a little bit chilly and windy out.
Oh my God, that scared me. Oh my God, that scared me. Dude, there's parking for us over here.
It is like 10 something and we are waking up at 3 a.m. But I wanted to record and we're gonna pack. Me opening this. Look at the wax seal. I got, stop throwing me stuff. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Y'all see the detail? Oh, we got Heated Rivalry playing in the background. I did not even sound like that. Oh, we just watched Zootopia 2 and not too bad a movie. Honestly, prefer the first one. But, oh. Hey, where you go? Give me. This scene is so cute. Okay, I'm back.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Your screen's over there on the other side.
Oh, this is like a lot of detail. Okay, a little business card. They did tell us that they have like a online shop.
Oh, sorry, Daddy. I'm like, I wanted to see Heated Rivalry.
Does this tell us? Ooh, okay. This tells us what to do. Oh, find a quiet, safe place to go with yourself. Card 1, card 2, card 3. Past, present, future. I got like a card thing.
Evie, where are you going, girl? Donnie, she's gonna try to skedaddle again.
I know. Oh, this is so much stuff. Okay, I got this.
Go.
Oh, okay, I got this. And I got this. And then I think this is like little sheets to explain it. A devil card is not bad or evil. Represents the shadow aspects of ourselves that can act as blocks for what we really are waiting in life. When you believe the illusion that you have... Yeah, I said I was gonna film this. And I was gonna pack.
Like, you're kind of in my way.
The devil card brings you powerful truth that we always have the tools to free ourselves from what chains us. Okay. What's the 8 of Cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is the 8 of Cups. Opportunity, reflection, observation can be a checkpoint where you feel if you are on a choiceful path that you actually, oh, okay. To allow joy to encompass in choosing a path that we entangle the knots of our current situation. Okay, so this first one, so past, present, future. Is centered around, so the 4 of Cups is centered around opportunities that has a different couple of perspectives to offer.
Like an exaggerated one.
Oh my God. If things don't work out the way we want, it's because we are working out in a much better way that we haven't considered yet. Huh. Really? Oh my God, my battery's about to die. That eye is actually really pretty fitting considering I got rejected from a radiology program. 2 of them. 2 programs. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna keep this and do a little bit more reading into it, but I gotta get packing. Because I'm not driving first, my dad is, but I gotta get packing because I am not packed at all. And yeah, hopefully you guys really like this video. I mean, we did 2. I mean, I was really hoping that Sandies were gonna be a lot more fun, but I think today was pretty fun. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Goodbye.